In the woods in Swan Point Cemetery, down by the Seekonk River, I came upon a woodpecker. I'm pretty sure it's a hairy woodpecker, but it could be a downy woodpecker. I'm sure somebody out here will let me know. Sorry for the bad camera work, but I was so surprised by the woodpecker I didn't have time to use the tripod, so it's handheld. I saw an osprey flying. Rather than trying to catch up to it, I thought it was probably going to end up at the nest on this platform. So I started to shoot the platform, and there it is. A great blue heron flew by. These herons are so far away on the other side of the river that I cannot even see them without magnification. So, considering how far it is, that's not a bad picture to end the day with.